gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a BoxFlipz box. Yay! Guys, you know how much I love these boxes. So if you guys aren't familiar with BoxFlipz, it is a liquidation place, and they buy pallets of Amazon return boxes, and they do not open these boxes, guys. They don't cherry pick things out that they want or anything like that. They are completely sealed boxes. They have no idea what's inside. You could really score. You could get anything that it is sold on Amazon. Okay, so that is so incredibly cool, and I always look forward to these boxes. I've gotten 2 so far, and I am just due. Every time I went on their website to check for these, they were out of stock, but when I saw that they were in stock, I was like, yes, I have to have one. I actually bought 2, but we're only going to do 1 today. So without further ado, let's see what awesome things I got in this BoxFlipz box. Okay guys, so these boxes are always very big, and this one is actually super heavy. So I'll try to show it to you guys, but oh my gosh, it is just okay, I really can't. Trust me, whoo baby, this is heavy. I don't know what is in here that is really weighing this box down, but it is incredibly, incredibly heavy. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see what's weighing this box down. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks really, really super full. I see a lot of repeat stuff though. Oh man, I really wish I could show this to you guys. Maybe I'll pause the video, I will take the phone, and I will put it in the box so you can kind of get a sneak peek of what I'm seeing here, and then I'll fully unbox it for you. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so here is a sneak peek at what I'm seeing, and as you can see, there's multiples of these Clorox wipe things, I think is what they are. So I don't know guys, it is actually really full, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So now that I've given you the sneak peek that I'm seeing, let's pop this thing open and see what all this stuff is. Okay guys, I really didn't know any other way to do this because there's no way I can lift this heavy box. It's heavy. Okay, just trust me, it is super heavy. All right, let's start small. Looks like there's 4. Looks like there's 4 of whatever these are. So let's see what they are. It says Cocoas. You guys know I said that wrong. Here's what it is. All right. That's what the brand is. So let's see here. It's a liquid silicone exterior and shock absorbing microfiber liner. Offer you superior using experience. Do you guys get all that? I'm just saying. So access to all ports and control sensors. So what is it then? Oh, it's a iPhone 11 silicone case. Are they all iPhone 11s? Navy blue, navy blue, navy blue. Shocker, navy blue. This is super specific, guys. I will go ahead and open one of them since they're all the same. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped that. Yeah, so let me cut this away from me because I don't particularly care to cut myself with that. I don't have an iPhone 11 anymore. I literally just traded it in. Okay, so they are nice though, guys. Look at the case. I mean, it is a nice case. So, I don't know. I may do a giveaway with these or something. Yeah, they are nice cases, but I personally do not have a use for them. So, let's set those aside. No use for those. All right. I think I'll just go here next. What is this? A Demu insulated coffee mug. Oh, okay. So here's the brand right here, guys. And let's open this up and see what kind of coffee mug it is. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to pass it off? I have no idea. Ooh, it's like a serious coffee mug. Oh, wow. It's like a travel one. Oh, check this out, guys. That is cool. Look at that. Now, I think Noah's dad would like to have this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. He's a coffee drinker. I am not. I mean, I could put my hot cocoa in it. I don't know if he'll like this or not. I'll definitely check with him and see if he wants this. Otherwise, you might see it in a future giveaway, or I might use it for my hot cocoa. But that is a really nice mug, you guys. I mean, hey, score. That's pretty awesome. These boxes, for me, honestly, never disappoint. Even if I get things that I don't like necessarily want, I'm still super excited. They're 100% worth it. I paid $100 for this box. I think it's normally $140 is what they have them at, or $130, something like that. But they had a sale when I was looking at them, and they were $100. So $99.99 is what I paid for this. Okay, what do we have here? A Santa Morse code bracelet. It says bracelet, not bracelet. Gift for her. Okay, so here's the brand, guys. All right, I am down for a bracelet, right? Let's open it up. See what we got in here. Ooh. Oh. I don't want to show this on my channel. It's a Morse code bracelet, and what it means, I don't want to show. So I just don't want to show any kind of bad words or anything on my channel, but I can show you this, and if somebody can read Morse code, and I'm sure you can figure it out, but that's off, and then the first word is one that I do not care to display on my channel, and it's a Morse code bracelet. Yeah, I probably won't wear this, but hey, there's that, right? I mean, you know, I'm not going to lie and say there aren't times when I would love to tell somebody that, but, you know. All right, what do we have here? So, what? Okay, guys, there's stickers, right? So, here's that. Let me just pop one out for you because it looks like they're all the same. Who orders this stuff? That's my question. Like, seriously, who orders this stuff? All right, what does it say? I did that, and it's got Joe Biden on it. All right. And there's like a boatload of them, guys. I mean, I can use this for like something funny that I send to maybe some of my YouTube buddies or something like that. I don't know. Like if I make something for them, I could put that on there. I think it'd be kind of funny. I don't know. Not excited about that, but you know, whatever. It's in there. Okay, so what do we have here? Screen protector film. This one is for compatible with a watch. What? Yeah, it's for a watch. There's that, guys. I was hoping I would get that, you know, considering I don't wear watches. Let me open it for you just to see what it is. Some of this stuff I might just do a video asking anybody if they have like a use for this kind of stuff, if I can't find a home for it. What in the world, guys? Okay, so it comes with like this cloth thingamabobber that cleans your thing, and then it has wipes in there, so there's that. Then it has some stickers for various different things, and then here are the actual watch covers, I'm guessing. I don't know. Your watch would have to look like this. Okay, so that's yeah, there's that. Awesome. So now I have all these little pieces that I have to put back in here, because if I want to, like, you know, give this to somebody that can use it, they're probably going to want all the pieces, don't you think? Okay, cool. So, yeah, there's that. You can get some of the most random things in here, and I still think this box is super fun. I love it. I'm probably going to actually get another one for you guys. What is this? This is a cube. What do you do here? It's a fidget cube. Oh, okay. Okay, so here's a fidget cube. I don't know what you do with it. Let's open it up. I'm going to take my time with this video, guys. I mean, you can always fast forward through things you don't want to see. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, there's all kinds of... Look, there's like this, and then there's this. Okay. Oh, and this spins. So this side here spins. And these, I guess you... Oh, they're like buttons. You hear it? Okay, cool. All right, and then there's just like this little dip thing, I guess, for somebody to just kind of put their hands in and out, and then they have these things. So, I don't know, this is fun. Yeah, that's kind of a cool thing. I don't know if my son would like that or not. I can see. It wouldn't hurt. Okay, what do we have here? What will Baby Boo be? Oh, that's cute for somebody having a baby. So, that's cute. You know, I don't have use for that because I can't have any more kids, but somebody might. What is this? So we have, it's an extra large men's solid color extra large shirt in green. I don't think this will fit Noah's dad, but I can always DIY with it. He's usually a 2X. Sometimes he can wear an XL. Let me see. Here's the shirt. Oh yeah, he definitely so cannot wear this. I mean, that looks like that would fit me. Look at that. That looks like that would fit me. So this is definitely going to be something for me. And I'll, you know, I'll either wear it as it is or I'll do something fun with it. Hey, I'm not mad at that at all. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, what is this? So we have, oh, it's an ant killer. Oh, I hate ants. I don't know how you guys feel about them, but I hate them with a passion. So I would definitely, that's like one of the few things that I don't mind, you know, putting down. Kills on contact, keeps killing up to 6 weeks. Okay, so hopefully I don't get like a ding for saying that word in here. It might like get flagged, but I'm just showing you guys this. I'm not mad at that at all. Actually really excited to have it, and I'm definitely going to use it. It says it works for ants, cockroaches, spiders, scorpions, crickets, and other listed insects. That's awesome. I'm actually really happy to have that. Okay, cool. What do we have here? Oh, I see what's some of the weight is in this box. Ooh, what's this? I don't know. Here's the brand. It looks like something that I might very much like, so we're gonna pop it open. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, what is this for though? It's for an iPad, but which one? Will my iPad fit in here? You know, I was gonna buy, I'm not even kidding when I tell you I was gonna buy a new case for my iPad. It looks like it's for an iPad, guys. See, here it is. And like, oh, open it up there. So I don't know if mine will fit in there. Mine's an iPad Pro. It looks like it might fit in there. So if it will, yay. I don't have to buy one. Oh, does this tell me what it is here? It is iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch 4th generation. Dude, score! That's awesome! Okay, I'm really stoked about that. Yeah, and that looks like a nice one. All right. Go ahead, BoxFlipz. Thank you so much. Okay, that looks like that is going to be so fun for my son. Oh my goodness, you guys. I kid you not. There's a ton more of these fidget cubes. Okay, so these fidget cubes, I'm probably going to put them for my... I have giveaways, or not giveaways, like prizes when I do my craft shows. So it's a duck pond game that I do. I think the kids might like these, so I'm definitely going to use those for that. So I might keep one and see if Noah wants to play with it, but otherwise that's what my plan is. Okay, so it looks like this kind of stuff here is what's weighing down my box. We got some pure protein bars. Depends on what they taste like. This is chocolate deluxe, gluten-free, 21 grams of protein. Okay, these are perfectly sealed, so you know there's no reason why I wouldn't feel, you know, comfortable eating these. Somebody, I guess, got them and changed their mind, or maybe they tried one and didn't like it. So I guess I'll try one right here with you guys. Why not? I'm scared because like these things for me, either you like them or you don't. This brand here, I don't know if I like it or not. Here goes nothing. Guys, that's just pretty good. 3 grams of sugar, 180 calories. I think they're good. I'm not like wanting to spit it out or anything. I'll finish that later. I'm not going to sit here and eat a whole candy bar or a protein bar in front of you guys. That would be a very boring video. Okay. And then it looks like we have some... Oh, awesome! So we have some Bunny Grams. Annie's Homegrown. I do like these, guys. I got these and I put these in some of my friend mail, guys. These I really like these. I think they taste good too. And it looks like I have 2 boxes. So I got 2 boxes of those. Not mad at that at all. I'm just going to put them right back in there. What is this? These are Cliff Bars. I think I like Cliff Bars. What flavor? I don't know what flavor it is, but here's the box size. These are just Cliff Bars. They're heavy though. This is what's weighing down my box. Making it super heavy. All these protein bars. These ones are actually quite good though. I'm really excited that I like them. Okay, that's good. I am not mad at this box at all, you guys. 100% worth every penny because those protein bars alone are very expensive. Ooh, we got a variety. So we got crunchy peanut butter. Awesome. And then we have Sierra Trail Mix. Peanuts, chocolate, and raisins. I would eat this if it didn't have the raisins in it. So I think John will probably like that. Chocolate brownie. Ooh, I'll like that one. That one will probably be for me. I'm not going to taste test these, guys. Peanut butter banana. Another one I will most likely like. Okay, guys, I am so not mad at that. I don't know how many I got in here. but I am very happy to have it. Doesn't, oh, 16 pack. Okay, awesome. Not mad at that at all. Okay, guys, so I have to jump in here because I wanted to make sure to let you guys know. It turns out that the protein bars and the bunny grams were all expired. Now, before anybody says, oh, that's a bunch of crap, BoxFlipz is a ripoff, da-da-da-da-da, listen. BoxFlipz does not open these boxes. So these boxes are not cherry picked. They are packaged from Amazon, sent to BoxFlipz, and then BoxFlipz pieces out their pallets and sends them to us. They do not open them. They don't peek in them. So there's no way for them to know that there were expired goods inside these boxes. I just want to make sure that I make that very, very clear. But I also wanted to be honest with you guys and upfront and let you know that things like this can happen in these kinds of boxes. This is the first time it's happened to me, so it's not often, but it can happen. All right, guys, let's jump into the rest of the video. Okay, so I showed you all that, and this is the other thing that's weighing down my box. Clorox disinfecting wipes. Dude, I use these all the time. I'll have to buy them for a little while, though, because these are 3 packs. So here's the box, you guys. I'm just going to open it up really quick, but I use these all the time. I got 3 of these boxes in here. So I don't know how much these are on Amazon, but I'm sure that I got my money's worth with this box, which is fantastic. Oh, yeah. Guys, that is awesome. Okay, I'm not going to need to buy these for, a while. I have 3 boxes of these, and you get 3 packs in each box, so I have 9 packs of Clorox disinfecting wipes. I am not mad at that at all. Okay, guys, here's the last thing in here. This looks like it might be something fun for my son. What do we got here? Oh, it's a puzzle. It's a Lego puzzle, which is cool, but yeah, I mean, we can put it together. Haha, that sounded funny. But, yeah, he likes to do puzzles, but this one looks like it's way more advanced for him. So it would have to be something that we do together, but I am not mad at that at all. You guys, I got some awesome stuff in this box. I'm so excited. It honestly gets me really pumped to get another one. So again, guys, I got this from a place called BoxFlipz. I have a link to their website in my description box below. They have a variety of things on their website. They have like these bins boxes that you can get where they can pull from their $5 bins, their $10 bins. I don't know if they have like 15, 20. I'm not really sure how it all works, you guys, but I know that they have the bins boxes. They have these Amazon return boxes. I think they call them Amazon mystery boxes. And again, they are perfectly sealed. They have not opened the box at all, so they don't know what's in it. You could get something really awesome like I did today. I mean, you could even get, who knows? I mean, they sell iPhones on Amazon, right? You could even get something like that. I'm just saying, you don't know what's going to be in these boxes. One time I got a mini chainsaw, which I was really excited about, an electric screwdriver. I got all kinds of really cool crafting stuff that I can use, so I was really excited to get those items. And I honestly, these boxes are awesome. So they also have electronic boxes, and I'm going to go over that in my other video because I have one of those on the way. I'm really excited about it. It's a $300 box, but they definitely guarantee that you're going to get your money's worth and then some, because this is like something that people would resell. But yeah, I'm really excited to check that one out. I can't wait to see it. But I think that this was a huge success, guys. I am very happy with this box. There's quite a few things that I can use, quite a few things I can eat. I am so stoked. I think it was 100% worth it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever gotten a BoxFlipz box and what kind of score things that you got in your box. I'd be really interested to hear what you got. I will have another box coming very soon. That's the electronics box, and I will unbox that for you guys and see what fun stuff comes in that one. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have a BoxFlipz box. Yay! Did that work?